Well, each year Verizon holds a national competition called the Innovative Learning App Challenge, encouraging middle and high school students to develop real-world concepts. The national winners score a monetary award and a chance to turn their app into reality with a team from MIT. Now, for the second year in a row, a team from Zionsville Community H.S. has won the competition at the Indiana high school level. And I'm pleased to be joined now by the team's faculty advisor, teacher Bob Brennan, and also Zoe Kraft, a Zionsville senior and team member as well. Welcome to the program and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Quite an honor and quite a competition. So if Bob, you could talk about that. This competition, it's a national competition you'll be in, but even at the state level, very competitive.
Yeah, there were about 1,800 entrants and schools all across the state, and the kids develop an app concept, and then they have to create a video that explains the concept, and then you upload it along with some other things that go with it. But all of the kids at Zionsville, my course last semester, and then another teacher, Danielle Wilson, we all entered in these, and Zoe's group was the one that won, so we're very excited.
Yeah, I'm going to ask Zoe, I'm going to ask you about the app itself in a moment, but this really is fun, real world, real life experience, but a real learning experience for the students.
Correct. It's part of the curriculum is trying to get the kids to look outside of just the classroom portion of it and take the economic principles of entrepreneurship and working together and collaborative learning and kind of project-based learning and taking a concept and you know, seeing how it flies in the real world. And so Verizon gave us that chance to do it.
Yeah. Zoe, as you look at it, so it's NuTown, right?
Yep.
Is the app. Talk about the app, what it's all about.
So basically it's an app, you know, when you're going to a new place, I've always wanted to travel, so this was something that I really wanted to do. So it's basically an app. You open up your phone, you open the app, and you can find a list of everything. It has a map on there, and it'll tell you all the places nearby. You can filter out results. It's like some other, you can like search stuff on the internet, but it has everything, you know, it'll tell you accommodation prices, it'll tell you lodging prices, average reviews for like Uber or Lyft. It will be able to tell you like the average wait time for a restaurant, if the restaurant's compatible, the price. I mean, it's basically like going on the internet and doing all of that research on your own, except it's in one app and it'll save you about 10 minutes.
Talk about the process, you know, coming up with all the different ideas, what to include, what not to include, and that interaction among the team. What was that like?
Well, at first it was a little rocky. Mr. Brennan put our group together out of a couple different pods of people who didn't really want to work with each other, but he put us together and we sat down, and I actually was gone for the first day because I had a doctor's appointment, but I came back the next day and my friends were like, yeah, by the way, we're in this group. I was like, cool. So we sit down and I was like, so do we have an idea? And they were like, kinda. It was a while.
So it was, even whether you pursue this type of career, there was tremendous experience just working as a team, I assume.
Yeah, I really do feel like that did help with the working as a team, especially because we weren't, you know, all super close at the beginning. You know, we definitely bonded over it. It was a good way to learn how to work with someone and learn how to work with other people and become more of a team member. I really do appreciate it. You know, in the group, a lot of, you know, key people stood out. Like one of our group members, Greta DeCourcy, she really took charge, and you know, without her we would have fallen apart almost immediately.
That's great. I also should mention that Yorktown Middle School, a team from Yorktown Middle School, won the middle school competition as well, so congratulations to them. Bob, the winners on the national level, you're in that right now, or will be in that, I should say. You get lots of cool things, including the opportunity, if you win it, to sit down with developers, right, out at MIT?
Correct, yeah. The kids will go to a conference in Orlando. They'll be partnered up with a group of MIT developers. They'll actually create and make the app if we win the contest, and then the property itself is the kids. Yeah. So all of the releases that they sign, they own it. So it's pretty cool. We told them, you know, this is something they can put on applications, job interviews, things like that.
Okay, very importantly, there's a fan favorite vote.
Yes.
Right. So mobile, you can go on your mobile device and vote for this team from Zionsville. How do they do it?
So you go on your phone, you open up your texting app, and you type in the number 22333 into like the recipient box, and you use the code NuTown, and it's spelled weird. It's NUTOWN. We don't spell it right, but it's iconic. So we spelled it NUTWON. So you type in the code to the number 22333. and it'll submit your vote, and you'll get a text from them saying, good job for voting, here's a link to the website, and you can check out the other competition as well.
Okay, I started the process. I'm going to vote.
Thank you.
One vote per device, but if you can figure a way around that, go ahead and vote multiple times.
Share it on Twitter.
Yeah, Bob Brennan, thank you very much for being here.
you.
Zoe Kraft, the Verizon App Challenge, tremendous competition. Congratulations.
Thank you very much,
you.
Gary.
All right. Well, a reminder, all of our Eye on Education segments can be found at InsideIndianaBusiness.com. And if you have an interesting story idea, please send it to segment producer Shannon Dawson at sdawson@growindiana.net.